Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make these deliciously roasted honey butter sweet potatoes. These are amazingly delicious and the perfect side for the holidays. Let's get started. We're using 4 large sweet potatoes for this recipe, and we're going to start by peeling and cutting up the potatoes into bite-sized pieces. The cut up potatoes should look like this. These are about 1/2 inch in thickness. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of olive oil all over the potatoes, then season with salt and freshly cracked black pepper to taste. Next, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of honey. Then we're going to mix everything together very well. Once mixed in, we're going to pour the mixture onto a large baking sheet. Shake the baking sheet around, that way the potatoes can fall into a single layer. Cut up 3 tablespoons of butter, then randomly toss them onto the potatoes. The butter and honey on the potatoes will give a sweet, nutty, buttery flavor to the potatoes. Make sure your oven has been preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to bake the potatoes for 1 hour. This part is very important. While the potatoes are baking, make sure you pull it out every 20 minutes to stir. Stirring the potatoes will prevent them from burning. It will also help them coat very well in the honey butter sauce. Once you're done stirring, shake and arrange them into a single layer, then place them back into the oven to continue baking. I pulled out the potatoes one last time to stir them in. Make sure you stir in at least twice or 3 times. They'll go back into the oven to finish baking, and this is the final result. The sweet potatoes are deliciously caramelized in all of that honey butter, and the aroma is so tantalizing. These honey butter sweet potatoes came out very delicious. You're not going to be able to stop eating these. They're so good. These would be an amazing side for Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner. If you guys would like to make them, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.